Do you want to make millions of dollars with smart investments? Welcome, financial enthusiasts and future millionaires. We're about to embark on a savvy journey through the landscapes of real estate, cryptocurrencies, and the stock market. In the ever-evolving economic climate of 2024, these investment avenues have the potential to transform your financial status. So buckle up and prepare to dive deep into the world of wealth generation. Stay tuned to learn about the top 3 investments that can turn your financial dreams into reality. The first investment on our list is real estate. Now you might be wondering, why real estate? Well, let's dive right in. Real estate is as old as the concept of land ownership. It's a tangible asset, something you can see, touch, and use. It's not just an abstract idea or a bunch of numbers on a screen, and that, my friends, has a certain allure. But it's not just about the tangibility. Real estate is a versatile investment that can generate income in multiple ways. You can rent it out for a steady cash flow or sell it when the property value increases. Now let's bring in the big guns. We're talking about Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He once said, "Real estate investing, even on a very small scale, remains a tried and true means of building an individual's cash flow and wealth." And he's spot on. You see, real estate is a hedge against inflation. As prices rise, so does the value of your property. It's like having a safety net that grows stronger with time. And, unlike other investments, real estate gives you more control. You decide where to buy, how much to charge for rent, and when to sell. But wait, there's more. Real estate also offers tax advantages. You can deduct the cost of owning, operating, and managing your properties. And if you play your cards right, you can even defer capital gains tax through a 1031 exchange. So let's recap. Real estate is tangible, versatile, and inflation-resistant. It offers control, tax advantages, and a steady cash flow. And it has the seal of approval from financial gurus like Robert Kiyosaki. But remember, every investment comes with risks. It's essential to do your research, understand the market, and perhaps most importantly, know your financial limits. So, if you're seeking a stable and profitable investment, real estate should be your first consideration. After all, they're not making any more land. Moving on to the next lucrative investment, cryptocurrencies. Now you might be thinking, aren't those just for tech-savvy millennials? Or isn't that a risky bet? Well, let's dive in and swim through the sea of misconceptions surrounding this digital goldmine. Cryptocurrencies, or crypto as the cool kids call it, are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. It's like money, but in the form of code. It's a concept so revolutionary, it's like when we first transitioned from barter to coinage, except this time, it's happening in the digital realm. In the words of Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, and a man who knows a thing or two about the internet, the world ultimately will have a single currency, the internet will have a single currency. I personally believe that it will be Bitcoin. Quite a bold statement, isn't it? But when you consider the global reach and decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies, it starts to make sense. Yes, the crypto market is volatile, more volatile than a cat near a bathtub. But with great volatility comes great opportunity. It's like surfing. The bigger the wave, the better the ride. If you know how to navigate the choppy waters, you can make a killing. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several other cryptocurrencies have shown exponential growth over the past decade. People who invested a few $100s in Bitcoin in its early years are now multi-millionaires. That's not a bad return on investment, is it? But remember, investing in cryptocurrencies isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and a bit of courage. Don't just jump in because everyone else is doing it. Understand what you're investing in, keep track of market trends, and invest only what you can afford to lose. So, for those willing to ride the waves and weather the storms, cryptocurrencies are an exciting and potentially rewarding investment. They represent a new frontier in finance, a wild west where fortune favors the brave. Cryptocurrencies, though volatile, have the potential to generate high returns, making them a worthy addition to your investment portfolio. The third investment that can help you make millions is the stock market. You might think of the stock market as a casino, a place where fortunes are made and lost through speculation and chance. But it's much more than that. It's a marketplace where companies sell parts of themselves to raise money, and where investors can buy those parts, or shares, in the hope that they will increase in value over time. Now, let's not ignore the elephant in the room. Yes, the stock market can be volatile. Prices can rise and fall dramatically in a short period. But remember this, volatility also means opportunity. When prices fall, it's often a chance to buy shares at a discount, and when they rise, it's an opportunity to sell and make a profit. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, once said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." This quote speaks volumes about the importance of patience in stock market investing. It's not about making quick profits through day trading. It's about investing in solid companies and holding on to those investments for the long haul. Now, investing in the stock market does require some knowledge and understanding. You need to know how to evaluate a company, how to read a financial statement, and how to understand market trends. But the good news is, there are plenty of resources available to help you learn these skills. And remember, you don't have to go it alone. There are mutual funds and exchange-traded funds that allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks with a single purchase. This can be a great way to get started and to spread your risk. So, while the stock market may seem intimidating, it's actually one of the best ways to grow your wealth over the long term. It's a place where patience, knowledge, and a little bit of courage can pay off in a big way. Thus, the stock market, with its potential for high returns, is an investment you should definitely consider. Now that you know the top 3 investments that can make you millions, it's time to take action. Let's take a quick recap. We've explored the lucrative world of real estate, where buying and selling properties can yield a significant return on investment. Next, we dived into cryptocurrencies, the digital gold of the 21st century. Despite its volatility, the potential for astronomical returns is something that should not be overlooked. Then, we traversed the evergreen territory of the stock market. Companies rise and fall, but with a keen eye and a well-researched strategy, you can ride the wave of success. But none of these investments should be entered into lightly. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. It's not about jumping on the latest trend, but about building a solid, diverse portfolio that will stand the test of time and economic fluctuations. Remember, it's not a race, but a marathon. It's about making consistent, smart choices that will compound over time. And while these 3 investments hold great promise, they are by no means the only paths to financial success. So, continue to educate yourself, stay curious, and remain disciplined. The world of investing is vast and full of opportunities. Remember, the best investment you can make is in your own financial education. Start today and watch your wealth grow. Before we conclude, here's something we want you to do. You see, the journey to financial success is not a solo expedition, but a shared adventure. And we want you to join us on this path, to be part of our growing community of goal-getters and dream chasers. We've been navigating the avenues of wealth creation, exploring the twists and turns of financial markets, and sharing the map with you. Now we're inviting you to become an integral part of this journey. By subscribing to the Motivational Grand Rising YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for regular content, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals, a group of people committed to financial growth and success. But why stop there? Liking this video is more than just a thumbs up. It's a signal to us that you've found value in what we're offering, that you've gained insights that could change your financial trajectory. It tells us that we're on the right track, and it fuels us to keep bringing you the best content we can. And then, there's the power of sharing. Imagine if every piece of wisdom, every nugget of knowledge you gained from this video could be passed on to someone else. How many lives could you impact? How many financial futures could be transformed? Sharing this video is not just about spreading the word, it's about creating a ripple effect, sending waves of financial wisdom and opportunity out into the world. So, join us, subscribe, like, share. Be part of the movement that's reshaping financial futures, that's challenging the status quo, that's daring to dream of millions. In the end, it's not just about the money. It's about the freedom that comes with it, the opportunities it unlocks, the lives it transforms. And it all starts with a click. A click to subscribe, a click to like, a click to share. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Here's to your financial success.